So here we go, and to our recent question, like my business has received at least 3 phone calls over the past 2 weeks that were not intended for my business. Each time we get the automated message, this call is from a Google ad. We have checked settings and our click report does not show clicks outside of our industry. Could this be an error on Google and our click report doesn't show these calls? Okay, first of all, for the people who are running call campaigns, we suggest to a few of our clients to get a dedicated number for Google calls, so we get an idea. And I also recommend you not to use the Google forwarding system, but rather to have your own number. That is also very important when running a campaign on Google for a call campaign, because data is everything and we have to track the data. The second thing is to have a strong eye on the competitors. Sometimes it's the competitors who are doing it, in case if it's a competitor doing it, because if there is a pattern of that, what we usually do is we have a dedicated manager, and for the clients who work with us, and in case if there is a pattern of this, we immediately send an email to them explaining the situation. What happens is that they refund those credits back to us based on our complaints. It has a we have got it many times, the refund for our clients, but for that we have to make an appeal and question to them. So it's quite easier in case if you have a dedicated manager, or if you work with a Google party company like us, because it's quite easy for us to because we are continuously monitoring your ad and campaign. And in case if we found any suspicious activity like this, because based on your data, like you told us, like we are getting the same pattern, we also look on the targeting as well, on what we are targeting on the keywords we are targeting on. And again, in case there is an other reason, you can be targeting on your competitor terms. So it's not a good idea to run a call campaign for competitor terms, because this is going to waste your money, because people are going to call you as an other brand, as your competitor brand. So you are again going to waste your money over here. So I hope you like this, like my answer on setting up few checks and balances and improve your campaign, and keep in touch with someone at Google or Google partner company, so issues like this can be resolved immediately and quickly for you. I hope like it. Thank you.